Welcome back, guys. We got another goodie package from our friends over at LASFIT. As you remember the last video, they sent us over bed mat and floor mats. This time around, we've got their Switchback LED turn signals for the 2024 Tacoma. So let's go ahead and pop them in and see how they perform. So installation should be pretty straightforward. Go ahead and pop your hood open, put your hood prop in, and it should be right behind your headlights. So really easy, you're just going to pop out the socket from there, pull the bulbs out. Just want to be careful to not crack it. So here we have a close look at the bulbs. You can see the LASFIT logo up top. Cool thing about these is that they're switchback, so the daytime running lights will be white, but once you pop on the turn signal, it actually turns orange. So we're going to go ahead and put this on, and then before we put it back in, we're just going to want to make sure that they work because they are sensitive as to which side you put them on. So let's test that out before we pop it back in. And it looks like we were lucky with the first time. So let's pop it in and compare the two sides to each other. There we have it. There's the side with the new bulb and the old bulb. I don't know, that looks like a pretty big difference to me. Now let's pop in the other side, which you gotta basically press all four of these in to gain access. And you should be able to pull that out. And, well, I guess we gotta find where that went. There we go, just like the other side. We're gonna go ahead and pop the bulb in. Let's hop inside and test it out. Perfect, good on this side, so let's pop it back in. And as simple as that, we've got both of them in. Now this is with the turn signals on. Let's go ahead and turn the truck on and see the daytime running lights. As you can see, those are the daytime running lights. And now, with the magic of editing, let's make it dark out. And so here we have no lights on at all. And then we're gonna go ahead and flip on the daytime running lights, which are those right there. And what, I guess my fog lights. That's fog lights off. And let's do the turn signal. And we got an officer here who's going to be questioning why we're just sitting in our car turning the lights on and off. I lifted it. 2.5 front, 3/4 rear. Yeah. Thank you. It looks like it, right? These new ones, even the interior, if you look at it, it's a giant screen. It's like a Tesla. No, they're 4-cylinder now. Yeah. They're cool though. It has more torque than the V6 ones. Yeah. The other ones, you couldn't even tow it like a jet skis without it like feeling like it's struggling. Now these are like easy. I just put some new lights on, so I'm testing them. 34s. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Have a good night. Oh, I didn't realize that I left the camera running. So these would be just the turn signals on. Next up, we're gonna test just the daytime running lights. As you can see, they're pretty bright. Now for reference, the stock ones are just halogen bulbs, and they're orange, like amber. So I mean, even this alone produces a decent amount of light. And then, well, I guess it's a little tough to demonstrate. But let's try this. Now, as you can see, the switchback allows it to go from white to amber while still coming from the same bulb. So it's not two different bulbs doing that. It's actually coming from the same bulb, which I think is pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool that they were able to figure out something like that. You know, I'm sure there's like a whole science to it, and I probably just not very aware about that type of technology. It's probably been around forever, but I think it's really cool that they were able to integrate that and then provide a solution for the Tacomas, because the previous generation Tacoma came with really nice headlights when you upgraded them, and I don't think the 2024's headlights look that good. They're actually pretty ugly compared to the old ones, but I guess this is a good upgrade, and it doesn't cost much money. It doesn't give you any error lights or warning lights of any kind. Very easy to install, like anybody could install this. You don't need to take it anywhere. Nothing special to it. Just pop the old ones out, put the new ones in, and yeah, I don't know. They're pretty cool, and I definitely recommend them. So give them a shot. Order in the link below. There's a special link down there. Click that. You can order it either through LASFIT's website or Amazon. You know, Amazon's really easy to just click, and it arrives at your door in a few days. So yeah, thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe, like, comment, do all that stuff, and catch you guys in the next one.